Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Viewers, I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So viewers, in this video you will get very beautiful top stylish 30 plus neck design for men's kurta and kameez. This is very beautiful and very stylish big and famous designers kurta neck design for gents. Viewers, I request you please must try this video completely so that you can get idea. This is ideas video. This is very beautiful and very fabulous neck design for men's. I hope you are enjoying this video and I hope you will like this video as well. Viewers, I request you please must subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon for getting more videos like this. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any notification from this channel. This is very beautiful and very stylish simple and embroidery made neck design. This is very beautiful collar made neck design for men's. If you wanna see more videos like this, so please must visit my channel, because in my channel you will get much more neck design for gents dressing. Viewers, if you have any confusion about this video, so you can give your comments under the comment section. I hope you are enjoying this video and I hope you will like this video as well. All of this collection are very beautiful, very fabulous and according to new trend 2020. So viewers, please must share this video with your friends on social network. And if you wanna see more videos like this, so please must tell us what kind of videos do you wanna see in my channel. Please must tell me. We will try to upload that videos and that content according to your choice. Viewers, please don't forget to share this video with your friends on social network. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up, and don't forget to give your comments under the comment section. Please always keep remember us in your special prayers, and please must share this video as most as you can. For watching more videos like this, please must subscribe to my channel, and if you wanna get notification about my videos, so you will have to subscribe to my channel and you will have to press on the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Please always keep remember us in your special prayers. We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.